What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving myself the Marty Blendz Clipper Technique Self Haircut. I've got a sticky note here with 12 or 13 different steps that Marty Blendz uses to give his clients haircuts. And in today's video, I'm going to be replicating that exact clipper technique to show you guys and to prove to myself that this technique isn't as weird as it looks on camera, but it's actually a really good technique to use to give yourself a haircut. And for those of you guys that don't know, Marty Blendz is a barber YouTuber. He's got roughly 42,000 subscribers at this time of filming. He's a really good barber. His haircuts always come out super fresh. So definitely guys check out his channel as well. And I'm going to be putting his clipper technique to the test in today's video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the self haircut. So the first step I've written here on my notes is going to be to use my trimmer as well as my foil shavers to give myself the first guideline and to bald out the bottom half. So I just finished using the trimmer to give myself that first bald guideline, and now I'm going to be going in with the foil shaver attachment and really bald out the bottom half. And so for the second step, I'm going to be using my clipper with the no guard lever open, and I'm just going to be going up about ½ an inch from this first guideline. So for the third step, I'm going to be closing the lever completely, and then I'm going to be going up about halfway between this guideline right in here. And then of course, I'm going to be gradually opening the lever as I go up to meet the length up here. So the fourth step is to open the lever gradually as you're going up to knock out this hard line. The fifth step is to use the trimmer once again to go in and knock out that bottom hard line. The sixth step is to use the 1.5 guard with the lever completely open and going up about 1 inch from this previous guideline. The seventh step is to use the number 2 guard with the lever completely open to knock out any of the remaining bulk by your part line.
instinct.
So for the 8th step, I'm going to be using the number 3 guard with the lever completely open just to remove any other bulk by my part line to really connect these sides to the length on top. So for the 9th step, we're going to be using the half guard with the lever halfway open, going up about half an inch from this previous guideline.
Instinct.
So for the 10th step, still using the half guard, we're going to go ahead and open the lever completely and go up about 1/4 of an inch from this previous guideline. So for the 11th step, we're going to be using the number 1 guard with the lever completely open, going up about 1/4 of an inch from this previous guideline with a flick out motion. For the 12th step, I'm going to be using the no guard with the lever completely open to knock out that bottom hard line. So for the 13th and final tip for this self haircut, I'm supposed to do some detail work and remove any dark spots or hard lines that I see throughout the haircut, but the only one that I'm seeing right now is right around the top portion here by my part line. And so I'm going to be putting on the number 1.5 guard and playing around with the lever to make it look a little bit more seamless and blend it in better. Alright you guys, so the self haircut is pretty much done, but before I give you guys the final 360 look, I want to go ahead and trim up my beard and give it that nice beard fade.
Instinct.
Alright everyone, so that's pretty much it for this self haircut. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I did Marty's clipper technique justice with this self haircut. And if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Also, you guys, if you want to learn in a lot more detail how to give yourself self haircuts just like this one and save yourself a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money by not going to the barbershop and cutting your hair yourself, make sure you guys check out my self haircut course using the first link at the top of the description, also linked in the card section above. And just to leave you guys with one more thing before I go, I'm also creating a second YouTube channel that's pretty much going to be all about real estate, finances, and news. So it pretty much covers the second part of my life because I'm also a real estate agent here in Miami, and I want to talk about those things as well, and I know I can't on this channel. So I'll leave my second YouTube channel linked in the description below and also in the card section above. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!